nieces and nephews. Diamonds dancing on your neck, niece, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. How to start a business, step 1 is start now. Step 2 is start with something that you already have a skill is. You take a skill that you already know how to do and you monetize it. It's very easy. For me, my first bout with entrepreneurialism was being a makeup artist. I knew how to do makeup very well. I took makeup courses. I watched YouTube videos on makeup. I did people's makeup around me. So it was very easy for me to become a makeup artist because now all I needed to do was make an online platform where I showcased what I did, which I used Instagram to do. And after that, I simply made business cards and marketed my business, and all of a sudden I'm a business owner. I'm a makeup artist. I provide services like makeup. Some of you already know how to cook. Some of you already know how to make YouTube videos. These are services that people pay for. You can log on to freelance sites like Upwork or Fiverr and market your video editing services. You can take the food that you're really good at making, make some flyers, make social media about it, and then market it. So that's how you start your business. Simply start, take something that you have and market it. For you that are really, really clueless as to about your skill set, okay, I do believe that your gifts make room for you. You might not be super excited about doing makeup or editing videos for people, but if it's something that people know that you're good at, why not monetize on it and just allow that to flow so you can take that investment money and invest it on something that you actually do feel more passionate about and wanting to do. You can do whatever you want to do in the world, but it's real hard to do it when you don't have money. So if you do have a business that you know is profitable, you know it's something you can do and you can monetize and you're pretty good at, then I would start there first when it comes down to starting a business, and then just work from there. Once you have a business, start finding out ways you can monetize different aspects of that business. For example, you could be a big YouTuber making good ad revenue money, which is very rare. But there's affiliate marketing. Now, by signing up and partnering up with brands, you can make money with those brands by selling their products. For me, how I got into Total Life Changes, I already had a decent sized YouTube following and people who were regularly engaging with me. So by aligning myself with products that I was actually taking and signing up for their affiliate program, which is basically how I treated my network marketing business at first. Now I'm more of a network marketer than anything, but that's how I first got started in Total Life Changes. I treated my business as an affiliate marketing company. I make product reviews on my YouTube channel and my social media channels, and I put the information on where you can buy the product using my link. When people click the link in my videos or my bio or wherever they're seeing my content, say they buy a NutriBurst, that's $20 in my pocket. I got paid commission for that. If you're buying a product, say I had an affiliate marketing, which I don't have any type of relationship with Spiritual and Paid. But if I had, you guys saw my Spiritual and Paid unboxing and review. Like if I had been a brand ambassador for Spiritual and Paid, I would give you guys the link to where you can buy it and it would be affiliated with me. So if you bought their products, I would get a chunk of commission for marketing their products to you, my audience. So that's one way of how I, as a YouTuber, use things that I use on a regular basis to make me more money. That's how I use one business I have and I find other ways of making money there. If you are a virtual assistant, you make YouTube videos, who's to say you can't also transcribe other people's YouTube videos that they can use for an ebook later? Or you can, if you make cakes or something, now in addition to, and say you make cakes or you make sandwiches. In addition to you making a product, you can get paid to teach other people to take the product. So that's a third way. I've taught you how to start your business and how to expand on your business, okay? Thumbs up for this good content right here. I'm loving the Entrepreneurial vlog series. I hope you guys are loving the Entrepreneurial vlog series, because Auntie just telling you what your mama didn't tell you. A lot of people just want to know how to start a business, how to start it in the 21st century, how to do things. You do them. It's that simple. Stop thinking it's so hard to do, because if it was that hard to do, I wouldn't be standing in front of you right now with this camera and all these lights and this and that. It's not that hard to do. Somebody's doing it, which means you can do it. Get that out of your mind and find you a coach that's gonna help you expand your mind. That's another reason why I like network marketing, because when I'm around salespeople, people who do sales for a living, they're constantly giving me the energy and expanding my mind to where you can do it. You have to learn something new around them. And that's what you need to do to be a successful business person. So start a business, find something that you're good at doing, leave it in the comments below, because there's no community without the you and the I. So I need you to tell me what you're good at and what you can monetize and start a business with. And you can even throw in a way of how you can expand your business. Find a way you can teach something about your business and sell that as a product. I'd love to hear that. Again, check me out on social media. And if you're curious as to my favorite way of making money online, my business, you definitely need to go to workwithbb.com. But in the meantime, in between time, I hope you guys are loving the Entrepreneurial vlog series right now. And I'll talk to you later. It's your girl Bad on BB. Over and out.